Kamiti iria yathundurirwo ni ministry ya maria maturigiceirie gutuiria kiria gitigaririire mitito-ini guuku bururi-ini ni neanite riboti yayo ya mbere kuri Minister Keriako Tobiko muthia-ini wa thiku 14 iria yahetwo niguo ikorwo neanite riboti iyo.
We've been looking on matters of livelihood of our people and the improvement and schemes of police system. We've been looking on matters of penalties which go by with the offences when it happens with the people who go to the forest without permission. So in that we've been looking at therefore the laws and the regulations governing the charcoal burning and trade.
Riboti iyo ni ithuritie ni gukoretwo na ungumania muingi kuri arugamiria mititu ino makiria kuri honge iria ihutanagia na mititu imwe kwa imwe kwambata kuri bodi iria iramataga mititu.
We are not happy the way the work has been carried on in the forest from the lowest cadre to the highest, and we are feeling if we cannot pinpoint on one particular level of governance or working with that industry, we have to look at it and critically from the highest level, that is from the board to the lowest.
Ningi kamiti iyo ni ithurite ni ikoretwo ikiamukira mateta kuma kuria turiani miaria manyitaga itemi hari uthukangia wa mititu makimehitira kumagera ngero agikorwo ni meguthie na mbere na wira wa guthurima mititu.
Therefore the task force has been the eyes of the task force have opened into even the other areas that we never related to the forest. That lack of fairness can bring unrest. It is there now. And we are expecting to be confronted by those people. They have already warned us that they are waiting for us. And they are holding their horses because they knew that the task force is there and they have hope that they will be listened to.
Riboti iyo ni yendekithitie kurorwo weru kwa mitaratara iria ihuthikaga ari kuheana marua ma uruti wa wira undu umwe na honge iria iramataga mititu makiria ni gukorwo na itire na umenyo wa kiria kiri mititu-ini.
What is it that we understand about a forest? What is it that we understand about felling trees? What is it that we understand about plantations and the effect? What is it that we understand about grazing animals in the forests? All the shamba system as we understand it. What is it do we understand economically? What the trees or the forests give this country?
Ona thengia wa macio mothe kamiti iyo ni ihitite gutwarithia wira wayo na mbere nginyagia irute riboti yayo nginya ni rugo ikinyiria mwisho wa ciumia igiri turorete.
That is what we are trying to sort out, and we hope that by end of our term we shall have done justice, because we are going to go to it the same way we have been doing it.
And just hearing you, Chair, highlight part of your findings, of course I'll read the details, convinces me that we actually made the right choice.
Ikereka ria keri ya ruti wa wira wa kamiti ino gukorwo rongoreirie gucera kaunti-ini iria itanacererwo itena-ini ria mbere na mendekithia marumu makiheanwo riboti iyo ikirekererio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.